Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and today it is LX. What a tremendous alert from the AI. I just want to show you, first of all, there was the alert at 10:10. I also want to show you where the AI got out of the trade at 10:60, okay? Because they had a 50-cent profit target on it. Again, as I say all the time, you should manage the exits on your own. I'm not saying you couldn't have taken some out around 1060, because if you looked at the daily chart, there was a little bit of resistance around that area. But I mean, if you just forgot about it, took it out at 1060, I mean, look what you're missing. I mean, this got all the way up to $12. Now, somebody else asked me, well, what really convinced me to take this trade? I do like the AI alerts under $20, number one. It's an earnings play, number two, okay? It had earnings after hours, before the market opened this morning. So I knew that it would be active all day long. So that's another reason. It also showed up on the gap right there, the gap up and go, my gap up and go scanner. And what I can't show you, well, yes, I can show you. It showed up on the basic new highs also, I think where are you? LX right there. So lots of action with LX on other scanners, not just the AI. And that really convinced me to take that trade. Why did it change to, just give me a moment. Why did it change to ACY? There we go. So that was really, multiple confirmations really for me that this was going to be an active trade coming in a lot of different scanners. So this, for sure was the trade of the day for me and for a lot of people in the room. I mean, going from 1010 all the way up to 12, I mean, that is it's a tremendous percentage increase. So, and this could have a multi-day run. When you look at it on the weekly chart, take a look at it. So there's the high right there of 12. It struggled to get through that. It got right up to 12. But if it can take out 12 later on, I mean, look at this. I mean, look at the weekly. It has a shot to get to that 1460 level. I'm not saying it's going to get there, but I'm just saying that, just take a look at these time frames. And so, this could have a second day continuation on earnings if it takes out 12 later on. So that certainly was the stock of the day. That was the stock of the day, I think, for many people in our trading room also. So I want to shut this chart down. The promo is still good until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, and that'll get you 25% off the first month only, or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. So you'll see the promo, it's Memorial, all in capital letters, Memorial 25. And again, it'll get you 25% off the first month only, or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. So I'll close this down right now, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.